Okay, that's the crank pulley. So we're going to pull it off the crank pulley. Pull it out. It's the old belt. I'm going to take the new belt. Hopefully it'll go around the crank pulley just as easy as it came off. But you know what? Usually it doesn't do that. I pinch it together. Sometimes it helps. But right now it's not helping at all. Okay. Get her about like that. Let's see. See how it opens up?
Yep.
Straight like that. Almost. There we go. Finally. Not out of the woods yet. Come on, baby. Work with me. Okay. See, now this has to go around this pulley a certain way. See the flats?
Mm-hmm.
See the ribs?
Yep.
Take the flat. We bend it around. Now we put it around the rib. Okay. Let's see where we're at now. Okay, that way. Okay. Somehow.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
It came off the bottom one.
Hey, why don't you get on there and feed that over to me real quick?
Under?
Yeah.
All right.
Put the ribs on the ribs, you know?
Yeah.
See, now this one comes around the power steering. Funny. Like that. Okay.
I didn't realize how low the air dam on this truck was until I got under it.
Oh, yeah.
And then I was like, oh wow, it's lower than it looked.
Okay. There's that. There's that. Okay. Okay. See, we're on all the pulleys now. We just gotta bring this up to get on the alternator. Just make sure everything's there. Sure looks like it, doesn't it?
Yep, everything looks good.
Okay. We'll back up. Now we're going to start it up. Make sure she rides right. Because if not, it'll make a big old spiral web of shit. Ready?
Yep. Uh-huh, looks like it too.
I'm pretty happy with that. That's a lifetime guarantee belt.
Really?
Yep. See, that belt I just put on was making these
Oh.
really bad. So, that's no good. Okay, so next thing, you need to put a thermostat in there, okay? So what would we do if we was going to put a thermostat in?
Take the old one off.
Well, yes, but you got to drain the coolant out. So